Hey, to turn on or off your Hey Google on the Realme 12 5G, first of all go into the Google application, then click on the right upper corner, select Settings, and move into the Google Assistant. Next, go into the Hey Google and the voice match. And now we have to just click on this switcher, but if for some reason you've got right here information that it's not supported for this device, you will have to go into the Google Play Store and update Google application and Google Assistant application. After this, you will be able to turn it on. If you want to turn off Google Assistant, you have to just make this switcher gray, but to turn it on, click here, scroll down, click I agree, then scroll down again and tap I agree. Now we have to repeat these phrases. Okay, what is the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, what is the weather tomorrow? And another one. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. And it will be the last one. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. There we go. And as you can see right now it is finished, so we can scroll down, click next. And now you can actually start saving your audio to the Google, but if you don't want, click not now. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.